Latest CMs and governors. February 2024 updated. In 2024, there are 28 states and 8 union territories in India. States CM name and governor names. First one is Andhra Pradesh. Chief Minister name is Y.S. Jagannath Reddy and governor name is S. Abdul Nazir. Second one, Arunachal Pradesh. Chief Minister name is Pema Khandu and governor is Lieutenant General Kaivalya Trivikram Patnaik. Third one, Assam state. CM is Hemant Biswa Sharma and governor is Gulab Chand Kataria. Fourth one, Bihar state. CM is Nitish Kumar and governor is Rajendra Arlekar. Fifth one, Chhattisgarh. CM is Vishnu Diosai. Governor is Justice retired one person Biswa Bhushan Harichandan. Sixth one, Goa state. CM is Pramod Sawant and governor is P.S. Sridharan Pillai. Seventh one, Gujarat state. Chief Minister is Bhupendra Patel. Governor is Acharya Devrat. Eighth one, Haryana. CM is Manohar Lal Khattar. Governor Bandar Dattatreya. Ninth one, Himachal Pradesh. CM is Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu and governor is Shiv Pratap Shukla. 10th one, Jharkhand. CM is Champai Soren and governor is C.P. Radhakrishnan. 11th one, Karnataka. CM Sri Basavaraj Bommai. Governor Tawarchand Gehlot. 12th, Kerala. CM Pinarayi Vijayan. Governor Arif Mohammad Khan. 13th, Madhya Pradesh. CM Mohan Yadav. Governor Mangubai Changubai Patel. 14th, Maharashtra. CM Eknath Shinde. Governor Ramesh Bayas. 15th, Manipur. CM N. Biren Singh. Governor Sri La Ganeshan. 16th, Meghalaya. CM Conrad Konkal Sangma. Governor Satyapal Malik. 17th, Mizoram. CM Ladlu Homa. Governor Dr. Kamampati Haribabu. 18th, Nagaland. CM Nephew Rio and Governor Jagdish Mukhi. 19th, Odisha. CM Naveen Patnaik. Governor Professor Ganesh Lal Mathur. 20, Punjab. CM Bhagwant Mann. Governor Shri Banwar Lal Purohit. 21, Rajasthan. CM Bhajan Lal Sharma. Governor Kalraj Mishra. 22nd, Sikkim. CM Prem Singh Tamang. PS Goyal కూడా అంటారు అండ్ గవర్నర్ గంగా ప్రసాద్. 23rd, తమిళనాడు. CM MK స్టాలిన్. గవర్నర్ RN రవి. 24th, తెలంగాణ. CM రేవంత్ రెడ్డి. గవర్నర్ డాక్టర్ తమిళిసై సౌందరరాజన్. 25th, త్రిపుర. CM మానిక్ సాహా. గవర్నర్ సత్యదేవ్ నారాయణ్ ఆర్య. 26, ఉత్తరప్రదేశ్. CM యోగి ఆదిత్యనాథ్. గవర్నర్ ఆనందీబెన్ పటేల్. 27, ఉత్తరాఖండ్. CM శ్రీ పుష్కర్ సింగ్ ధామి. గవర్నర్ గుర్మీత్ సింగ్. 28, వెస్ట్ బెంగాల్. మమతా బెనర్జీ CM అండ్ గవర్నర్ జగదీష్ ధన్కర్. and Union Territories Chief Minister and Governor. Andaman Nicobar Governor is Shri Devendra Kumar Joshi, Lieutenant Governor. Chandigarh Governor is Shri VP Singh Badnoor, Administrator. Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu Governor Shri Praful Patel, Administrator. Delhi CM is Arvind Kejriwal, Governor is Shri Vinay Kumar Saxena, Lieutenant Governor. Jammu and Kashmir Governor Shri Manoj Sinha, Lieutenant Governor. Lakshadweep Governor Shri Praful Patel, Administrator. Puducherry CM N Rangaswamy, Governor Dr. Tamisai Soundararajan, Lieutenant Governor. Ladakh Governor Sri Radhakrishna Madhur, Lieutenant Governor. Thank you.